Your golden years start now. Understanding your 401k. Want a comfortable retirement? You need to plan for it. One of the best tools you have is a 401k. This plan lets you save for retirement with pre-tax dollars. That means you pay less in taxes now. Smart, right? A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by many employers. It's a powerful way to grow your money over time. When you contribute to a 401k, your money is invested in mutual funds or other investment options. These investments have the potential to grow much faster than a regular savings account. But the best part? You don't pay taxes on the money you contribute to your 401k until you retire. And in retirement, you'll likely be in a lower tax bracket. This means more money in your pocket when you need it most. Remember, a 401k is an investment in your future. Don't wait to start saving. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Take charge of your retirement today. Making the most of your money employer matches and contribution limits. Ready to supercharge your 401k? Take advantage of your employer match. This is free money that your employer contributes to your account. It's like getting a bonus just for saving for retirement. Here's how it works. Your employer will match a certain percentage of your contributions up to a certain limit. For example, your employer might match 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary. That means if you contribute 6% of your salary, your employer will contribute an additional 3%. That's a 50% return on your investment before you even start. But wait, there's more. The government also sets limits on how much you can contribute to your 401k each year. In 2025, you can contribute up to $23,500 if you're under 50, and up to $31,000 if you're 50 or older. These limits are designed to help you save as much as possible for retirement. Always aim to contribute at least enough to get your full employer match. It's like getting a guaranteed return on your investment. And don't be afraid to max out your contributions if you can afford it. The more you save now, the more comfortable your retirement will be. Finding your number factors affecting your ideal contribution rate. So, how much should you really be putting into your 401k? Well, it's not one size fits all. It depends on your unique situation. First, consider your age. If you're young, you have more time to catch up. Starting early, even with small contributions, can make a big difference thanks to the magic of compound interest. But if you're closer to retirement, you'll need to contribute more to reach your goals. Next, think about your financial situation. Are you struggling to make ends meet? Start small. Even a little bit is better than nothing. As your income grows, you can increase your contributions. Don't forget about your employer match. This is free money. Make sure you're contributing enough to get the full amount. It's like getting an instant raise. Finally, what are your retirement goals? Do you want to travel the world or live a simple life? The more you want to do in retirement, the more you'll need to save. Supercharging your savings. Strategies for increasing contributions. Ready to boost your 401k savings? There are some simple strategies you can use to make saving easier and more effective. First, automate your contributions. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your 401k each payday. You won't even miss the money. Next, avoid lifestyle creep. When you get a raise, don't let your spending increase at the same rate. Instead, increase your 401k contributions. You'll build your nest egg faster and won't even notice the difference in your lifestyle. Finally, review your budget regularly. Look for areas where you can cut back on spending and redirect that money to your 401k. Even small changes can add up over time. Remember, saving for retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. By taking small, consistent steps, you can reach your goals and secure your financial future. Traditional versus Roth, choosing the right 401k for you. Now let's talk about the different flavors of 401k. There are two main types, traditional and Roth. Both have their pros and cons, so it's important to choose the one that's right for you. With a traditional 401k, your contributions are tax deductible. This means you'll pay less in taxes now, but you'll have to pay taxes on the money when you withdraw it in retirement. With a Roth 401k, your contributions are made after taxes. This means you won't get a tax break now, but your withdrawals in retirement will be tax-free. So, which one should you choose? It depends on your individual circumstances. If you expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, a traditional 401k might be a good option. But if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement, a Roth 401k might make more sense. Not sure which option is right for you? Talk to a financial advisor. They can help you assess your situation and make the best decision for your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance-related content.